So, a bit of early morning Formula V action. Sunday morning in the UK. Got Gary Bond, a viewer, on pole. And I'm the last of the qualifiers, so need to do a little bit of work here, I think.
Green flag.
And the people behind are probably very quick because they didn't bother qualifying. They're probably going to come through. This is Alton Park, but it's the short Alton Park. So it's a little bit different. Let's let this guy go through. So I'm feeling a bit rusty. It's my first race. I did one lap of qualifying and that was it. I kept forgetting that this is the short track and kept messing up this corner. So hopefully we get it right this time. I remember.
There's an incident ahead.
Oh, incident ahead.
Left side.
Okay.
You're on the right. 3 wide.
Well, that worked for us. Can we get anywhere near the front? This guy's got to run.
Right.
Here he comes.
Keep to the left. Keep to the left.
I'm going to ease off and let him go because I think he's going to be quicker than me.
Clear.
And he might drag me along a bit. So I could do with some help. So it looks like Gary's still in the lead. Or still up with the leaders anyway, hasn't had a crash. Well, I say I hope this guy's going to drag me along. I don't know if he's quick or not. We'll see, won't we? I always assume everyone's quicker than me. I know that's not true, but if they haven't qualified them at the back and they're coming past already, they're probably confident that they can go past everyone. On with this, with the slipstream, it makes me feel like I'm quicker. And actually, I may not be. Let's see if he just dragged us up. I'll give him a lap. If we don't get anywhere, then maybe I'll try and get by. So I was going to jump on and do a GT4 race round the bend. There was a minute to go before the start of the race and I haven't even been to the bend yet, and I thought that's probably not going to work because even if I start to learn the track in qualifying, I'm never going to keep up with everyone. Probably not fair on those around me to to take that risk, so I'm going to do a bit of practice before I actually race there. I think that's the sensible thing to do. Okay, so this guy isn't really going quick, is he? We need to be in the 111s, maybe 110s if we can get there. What's he doing?
11.16.
Okay, well, he's going quite quick actually. Well, I'm going quite quick. I've done 11.1. What's he doing? He's done 11.3, so yeah. I don't know. We don't feel like we're catching, but they're all together now. So maybe if I just give them another lap, because if we battle, we'll then drop back. He just seems a bit wayward. That's all. Keep out of his slipstream for now. Big old lift through there. Don't need to lift as much as that normally. So we're sort of catching, aren't we? Let's see what this lap is then. We're going slower.
11.57.
Yeah, he's not going quick, is he really? We need to get by. If we can. He holds on to that gear a long time up here, doesn't he? I've noticed.
Left side. Clear.
Wasn't really close enough because we'd have really slowed each other down if I'd gone for that. I don't want to cost us too much time. Well, they're panning out again, so they're still racing. And maybe me showing my nose will make him think a little bit. Shouldn't have let him by, should I really?
11.593.
It's now the time.
Car on your left.
Yeah, I think so.
Keep to the right. Clear.
Let's see if he's sensible and follows. Yes, looks like he is. Smaller lift that time. Oh no, he's going to go for it. Great.
Keep to the left. Clear.
It's going to cost us time.
Left side. Still there. Still there, hold your line. 11.768. Clear on the left. The car in P3. Just set the fastest lap. 10.44.
Okay, I'll take it off track. I'll take that off track. We need to catch these guys, don't we, really? Okay, well, he's had a bad run through there. That might help us now. Yeah. We certainly dropped him for a lap or two anyway. He'll get the slipstream, so I'm sure he'll close back up again. Can we do anything about these guys?
Five minutes
Need to get with this group, really. See how powerful the slipstream is in this car, can't you? Makes such a difference. And we've really dropped back from this lot, haven't we? Blimey.
The leader is running 11.873.
We've really dropped back. Gone wide there. Not getting away from him, are we? This is quite frustrating, this is.
Right side. Still there, hold your line.
Yeah, this is not helpful.
Clear on the right.
Okay, he's been sensible. He's going again, though, isn't he?
Still there. Clear.
Yeah, it's just costing us time.
Car on your left. 11.929.
Just not getting there, are we?
Clear on the left.
Take another off track.
Car right. Still there.
So I'll let him go. There's not a lot I can do here. We're just fighting and wasting time, yeah?
Car right.
Right.
Still there, hold your line.
We've let someone catch up as well.
Still there, car stopped on the right. Car stopped on the left.
Okay,
Car
big
ahead.
crash
Car
here.
right. Clear. The next car's the leader.
Oh,
The leader's gone off.
well, that was Gary.
The leader's pitting now.
You okay, Gary? Don't know if he can hear me. Find a bit hard there. Okay, so we've been caught by somebody again.
Right
It's
side.
off end. One.
13.202. Keep to the left. You're in fourth position. Good job. Very nice. Clear. Car
dear.
is now leading.
Now we've got someone else behind us.
Left side. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. Clear.
What I want is those two to battle. That's what I really want. What's this guy doing? Trying to pit maneuver me, isn't he?
Car on your left. Still there.
Dirty driver.
Keep to the right. Still there.
Dirty, dirty driver.
The car in front is pitting. Stay on the right. Clear. 13.182.
Okay. It's sort of all over the place with that, aren't they? He is, anyway. I feel if I don't go forward, I'm going to go backwards because I've got this guy behind me.
Right side. Still
Let's
there.
make his
On the
life
right.
difficult, shall we?
Still there. Clear. Last lap.
Last lap then. Okay, so we've got a back marker. And we've got this dirty driver in front of us who tried to pit maneuver me. He knew exactly what he was doing.
11.666. You're back in fourth position.
Okay, fourth. I've been talking about doing a whole series, haven't I? So I'm going to do the Super Formula Light. I'm going to do the Advanced Mazda. And I think I'm going to do the Formula V. So I do enjoy this. And I do it every week. So I'm going to try and do the whole series. For some reason, I'm in Division 1 now. I don't know how that's happened. I don't really know what the divisions mean, to be honest. But anyway, I'm in Division 1. Now, what would be great is if I could get past this back marker. Because that'll protect me from the guys behind.
Clear on the left.
No, he's let everyone else go as well, so that's not helped me at all. Have we got enough? I think I'm going to have to make a move, because if I don't, someone's going to make a move on me.
Right side. Keep to the left. Still there.
So I need to pick up his slipstream. Oh, I'm going to get done
on
here.
the left.
I'm going to get done here.
Car stopped on the right. Car stopped
Bugger.
on the right. Still there.
Did I get fourth? No, fifth. Bugger.
Checkered flag, checkered flag.
Well, not bad. Only a 2x
Nice
as well.
run.
So,
Solid work.
yeah, we'll take that. And poor old Gary didn't end up anywhere. So let's have a look at the incident, shall we? Okay, then here's the incidents. This was a start. Decent start for me. Nothing too special, but nothing bad either. So I wasn't getting completely muddered, but I guess I was at the back. Anyway, what's happening? Oh dear, yeah, that was that first incident, wasn't it? Yes, remember that. And what have we got? So is this the leaders? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Wasn't really room there, was there? Unfortunately. And then we're all coming through, I think, aren't we? And then does he get hit? So that's me, and yeah, he's just going off. Yeah, he's got a problem with his car. That's poor Gary. Okay, that was it. I mean, what a clean race then. Blimey. I'm surprised at that. Well, let's look at the results. So then that was top split out of 5. Nice bit of safety rating. Well, I say nice bit, tiny bit of safety rating. As small as you can get, and a little bit of I rating. So trying to keep above 2.5k if I can. That time wise, we never really got into quick times, did we? We never got into the 10s. I think because we were battling so much I think I could have done a 10, but we weren't far off, were we? I mean, he's obviously done that with a slipstream. So high 10s, low 11s is where the pace was at. So, yeah, not too bad. Anyway, enjoyed that. Gosh, so Gary's in Australia. I thought Gary was in the UK, but he's in Australia. So what time is it there? Must be getting quite late on at night. Anyway, yeah, good race. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.